the Yushin 4x4 is my main, and the Yushin 3x3 is my backup main. So this has a lot to live up to, I guess you could say. The box is pretty cool. It's a little bit opened, but it can close. It's nice plastic, and here is the puzzle in here. Looks pretty dirty, like it's got a bunch of stuff on it, but that's not too big of a deal. Let's go ahead and take it out. Wow. The cube itself is really light. Wants to move around a bit. Actually has more of a motion. Holy cow! So, yeah, I'd say that I wanted to move around a little more than just a bit. Um, I'll be right back, guys.
Alright. I'm gonna attempt the first turn. Oh man, the stiffness, the anticipation, the drama. Oh, goodness me, this stiff. Experiencing massive piece separation. Oh! Nope. Nope.